Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Framer website. So let's get started here. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to publish your Framer site. So go to your Framer project and click publish in the top right corner. So this gives you the access to the custom domain settings. So in the Framer dashboard, you just need to go to settings, domains, and then now click on domains tab. Here you'll be able to see this one. Enter your GoDaddy domain name and click connect. And then the framer will now give you DNS record to set up. So of course, the framer will give you two A records. This tells GoDaddy where your site is hosted and copy them one by one. Then of course, go back to your GoDaddy, log in and find your domain under the My Products button. And click the DNS button to open the DNS settings for your domain. And now add each A record, set the host to that, then paste the IP address from the framer. And that's it guys, your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your framer site. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Bye!